How to get new Battle Bulls promo code working in 2025. So before you go ahead and head over to battlebulls.com's official site and do your deposit, I'm gonna help you out provide a working discount or promo code. Now just simply create a new tab in your current browser and then just visit this website that is gonna be waythrift.com. Now under search for stores, just simply type in Battle Bull. Now choose on the very first link, and then in here, as you can see that as of 2025, July 31st, they only have one working code. So last reported from one of the shoppers is actually 1 month ago, which means this is still working. Copy this code and then paste it on Battleballs on your very first deposit, and you're good to go. So that is how you find Battleballs new promo codes in 2025.